It's a snow day, and I love New York. This is a quick walk of West 34th Street. Subways are still running. The Long Island Railroad is running, and actually I just looked at the subway entrance without delays even. Buses are running in that direction. Is where the ball drops every year for New Year's Eve. You can barely see the Empire State Building, but that's what we have in this direction. Miracle on 34th Street, Macy's. And as they there is the entrance to Penn Station. So for those of you coming in to commute for work, it's still an option. And as they shovel the sidewalks, they've got to do it again. The snow is consistently falling. And that's a walk of 34th Street in Midtown Manhattan. Quite a storm. January 2026. And there it is, the Empire State Building. Until next time, happy snow day from the Big Apple.